Ever find yourself daydreaming about far-off places but can't stand the thought of planning a trip? You're not alone. Welcome back to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where we make globe-trotting as easy as lounging on your couch. I'm your host, Ryan Brooks, and today we're diving into the best no-brainer tours, because who needs a headache when you're supposed to be relaxing? Alright, let's kick things off with a little secret. Not all tours are created equal, and some are practically tailor-made for the lazy traveler. First up, let's talk about those magical hop-on hop-off bus tours. Picture this. You can explore a whole city without ever opening a map or draining your phone's battery on GPS. These buses are like your personal magic carpet, giving you the freedom to discover every nook and cranny at your own pace. Take Berlin, for example. You can effortlessly glide from the Brandenburg Gate to Museum Island, all while sipping a coffee and soaking in the sights. Next, let's chat about guided food tours. If you love eating but hate deciding where to go, this is your golden ticket. These tours usually highlight the best local cuisine, and you get to enjoy it without lifting a finger to research. Imagine wandering through the vibrant streets of Bangkok, sampling street food like a pro, without any FOMO about missing out on the best pad thai. Trust me, your taste buds and stress levels will thank you. And for those of you who prefer a more nature-focused adventure, consider joining a guided hiking tour. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hiking sounds like it requires effort, but hear me out. With a guide, there's no need to worry about getting lost or missing out on those hidden waterfalls and breathtaking vistas. Plus, you'll often get fascinating insights into the local flora and fauna, which adds a whole new layer of appreciation to your surroundings. Take a leisurely hike in Costa Rica's lush rainforests, where your guide does all the navigating while you focus on spotting colorful toucans and sloths. So there you have it, fellow wanderers, hassle-free tours that let you explore the world without breaking a sweat. Whether it's hopping on a city bus, indulging in a food tour, or wandering through nature with a knowledgeable guide, there's a no-brainer option for everyone. Next time you travel, try one of these tours and see how it transforms your trip. If you enjoyed today's laid-back travel tips, don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more easygoing travel wisdom. Until next time, keep wandering and keep it lazy,